Drifting has always been something I wanted to learn, but after I went to this car meet, I wanted to learn how to drift the moment I left. Here's how it all started. My day started at the gas station. I was fueling up, getting ready to go to a car meet. It's meet day, Saturday, meet day, but there's no meat. Just put gas in my pump. Just put 20 in my tank right now, just to get me to a full tank, because you know it's finna get busy. I'm cleaning my car right now because it was dirty, but now it's clean. From this point on, I realized my wheels were dirty, so I had more cleaning to do on my car. As soon as I shut my gas tank, got everything cleaned up, I was ready to hit the road because this car meet happened to be 30 minutes away from me. 20 minutes into the road trip, I thought I was cruising with this Mustang all the way there, but it turns out he wasn't even going. That no longer mattered because as soon as I arrived, I couldn't believe my eyes. Before the drifting event actually happened, I was able to look at some actual really nice cars that were pretty similar to mine. So I just took some ideas from theirs. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this to my car, I'm gonna do that. It was some really nice stuff out there, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. As soon as I thought things couldn't get any better, I legit saw my own dream car, bro. The freaking Supra MK5. My pants were literally finished as soon as I saw the car, bro. The car is so clean. I thought it was turned off, but the whole time it was turned on and started moving, bro. Then I ran into by far one of the best C6 Corvettes I've ever seen in my life. Then I ran into this super awesome Lexus. Low-key looks like a Toyota Aristo. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm not gonna assume anything because his badges were completely deleted. But it looks super clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Probably the best looking GS out there. You know, mine is second, obviously. But this one's super nice. Eventually, I ran into this beauty of a car, and then I saw this 370. It was super clean in this super clean G37. It was awesome, not gonna lie. I saw this super cool Mustang. I fell in love with him at first sight. I love his wheels. I was so obsessed, bro. Oh my god. I found the Miata that I cruised with in one of my other videos. Yeah, Buddy was parked up, coned inside of the meet. Bro is famous. No, seriously, Buddy's car is legit the cleanest I've seen ever. Ran into some more really cool cars along the way, but I ended up running into another dream car. Literally my dream cars, bro. What the freak? It's like literally every dream car I've wanted, it was there. Even this GT500, bro. Not gonna lie, boys, the meet was pretty good. The it was basically cars and coffee, but it was pretty good. I had selective like recording because my phone was like on like 7%, and by the time I'm just now getting in the car, my phone's on 7%, bro. Like, come on now, like this is ridiculous, bro. But I saw a lot of nice cars. I should have parked my car on the inside, but I'll try again next month for real. But hey, it was a good meet, not gonna lie. So we finna head to this drift event. It's gonna be this super huge drift event, bro. It's finna be lit. I had no clue what I was signing myself up for because the line to get in was mad long. Like, oh my gosh. I was not joking about this line, bro. This line's large. It was low-key worth the wait because it was a super huge tunnel on the way in, so I had to test it out. We just got here, y'all. There's a lot of nice cars over here, not gonna lie. Not this one though, but it's a lot of nice cars over here though. Look, another GS. I need to start making friends with GS's, bro. No cap. Oh my god, my dream car again, but it's a convertible. Ew, disgusting. As soon as I stepped in, they were already drifting. The track was mad hot, bro. It was just endless cars turning in circles. Then right after this was by far one of the coolest performances I've seen yet. They look so cool together, I'm not gonna lie, but they smoked out the whole track, bro. It was crazy. And I think they caused too much attention because the drift police were coming right after them. I got to get a sneak peek at the cars that were actually about to hop on the track next. It was super cool, really nice cars, and then I ended up running into this truck, super nice truck as well. My main goal was to find the best view that I could get for you guys, so I decided that this was the best spot in the house. I knew this was a good spot because I ended up running into another dream car of mine, the Super MK5. And the best thing is, this one was going to be on the track soon. I ended up changing locations to the part where the cars were actually taking off before they actually hit the track. Pretty good spot, not gonna lie. I was hoping the ZL1 would take off pretty quick, but he didn't. I'm not gonna lie. It was getting kind of boring, so I went back to the track. It was pretty hot. This 370 coming up was by far the coolest one I've seen, not gonna lie. After this clip here, I started moving around, and I think I found the best spot in the house. I even caught this crazy clip right here, bro. Look at this, bro. They are mad cool, bro. I wish that was on there. As soon as I was about to leave, I saw my dream car about to hit the track. I was so happy, bro. Look at this boost. Oh my god, it's so His car sounded so good, I had to meet up with him and ask him if he could rev his car. You're gonna thank me that I asked him.
Can you rev your car?
It's safe to say that my pants were absolutely filled after he did that, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But no, on a serious note, I did tell him thank you for revving his car. I told him he did a really great job, and I ended it all with a fist bump. W day. Not gonna lie, bro, I think I want to start drifting, bro. I think I want to turn my car to a drift car, bro. I think I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it. And to be honest, I wasn't joking. I was dead serious when I said that. I literally started texting all of my friends, just being like, hey, like, what should I do? Like, should I actually become like a drifter? Like, I want to drift my car. And then I got the bad news. It's gonna be expensive to do it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna be really expensive, which isn't a problem because, you know, hey, whatever. You know, I gotta do whatever it's gonna take for me to blow up with this kind of stuff. I was willing to do it. But if I'm being honest with myself, I wouldn't want to do it with that car. I'd rather get an IS300 because I just really want a GTE engine. I don't want a GE engine like the one that I have now. But regardless of any of this meet just was so great. It just made me just so motivated in so many areas of my life. I was like, bro, I want to start drifting. Like, I really just want to start drifting, and I wouldn't even mind having a drift build. But the thing is, I would literally need another car before I start doing that, because you cannot daily a drift car. I mean, this is just common sense. I mean, you wouldn't want to daily a drift car. This isn't something you can drive daily back and forth to work, to school, to anywhere else. Like, this is just not a good idea. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna actually give up on this goal or dream. I do want to start drifting later in life, but first we got to get a daily.